New cars are faster than ever, so why do they feel slower? It's not the engine, and it's also not your imagination. Older cars were louder, lighter, and far less insulated from the road. You felt every vibration, you heard every rev, and even small speeds felt dramatic. Modern cars are designed to be refined. Throttle response is often smoothed out, and the sounds are dampened, with stability systems quietly stepping in. So even when the numbers are higher, the sensation is lower. That's why a slow old car can feel exciting, while a fast new one can feel calm.